Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you how to watch videos on Prime. To watch videos on Prime, make sure you've got Prime subscription. And now let's go to menu. Enter Play Store and now go to Prime Video. Install it, make sure that you are connected to your account and then simply open the app. Also make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Now open the app and set up Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.